Equating exercise. Okay, so we're given this rectangle situation. What are we given? Okay, we're told that this is a rectangle. We're told that this side length is 8 split into a 2 and a 6. This bottom section here is a 6. And if you scoot to the top and then down to the bottom left corner, the question says that that would cover 3/4 of the diagram. And we've been given, we don't have to do our own naming because that's been given as x. I think it is a good idea, however, to name that. That's 6 minus x. It's an example of me using as few letters as possible. Okay, now we're going to state a fact with an equal sign. We've done our naming, now state a fact. Okay, so we've been told that an area is 3/4 of the diagram. The word is almost always becomes equals, so equals 3/4 of the diagram. The diagram is 6 times 8. 3/4 of 48 is 36. So, okay, actually, I'm going to, because I don't have a formula for this crazy shaded shape, I'm going to do the not shaded shape. So that will be 12. What's not shaded is 12 because that's 1/4 of 48. Okay, so this triangle. Half base times height. There's always 3 ways to look at a triangle when you work out the base. I'm going to look at this way. So half the base is just 1. So half the base times the height of this triangle. And then for this triangle, I'm going to orient it like that. So the base is 8. So half the base is 4. So 4 times 6 minus x equals 12. So x plus 24 minus 4x equals 12. Oh, wait on. Must have made a mistake here. No, that's fine. Negative 3x equals negative 12, so x equals 4. And that's the answer. Question number 2. Frank's teacher asks him to write down 5 integers. Now, the temptation here is just to call them, v, w, x, y, z, but I don't want to do that until I'm sure that I need to use 5 letters. Write down 5 integers such that the median is 1 more than the mean and the mode is 1 greater than the median. Frank is also told that the median is 10. Okay, so let's go let okay, well, I'm just going to use these 5 letters. A plus B plus C plus D plus E. So I'm going to say let the numbers be A, B, C, D, E. And I'm told that if you add them up and divide by 5, you get, what do you get? Oh, well, the median is 10 and the mean is 1 less than the median, it says. So that has to equal 9. So A plus B plus C plus D plus E equals 45. Now the mode is 11. So we're going to have to use at least some 11s. In fact, at least 2 numbers must be 11. Unless at least two numbers are 11, then there's no way the most frequently occurring number is going to be 11. Okay. Now, okay, let's just start again. So let's start it as if so there are two numbers that are 11. Let the other numbers be x, w, x, and y. So w plus x plus y plus 11 plus 11 all divided by 5 has to equal 9. In other words, w plus x plus y has to equal 45, take away 22, so that's 23. Now I think I'm going to kick in the cases strategy. So the median is 10. So, and because there's 5 numbers, the median must be an actual number that's in the middle of the list. It doesn't come from a average of other numbers, which is what happens when there's an even number of numbers in the list. So let's say let y. So what I'm going to do is name the list in order. I'm going to say, so the median is 10. Okay, so this is my fact. This expresses the fact that the mean is 9, the mode is 11, the median is 10, therefore the mode numbers have to go on the right-hand side of the 10. So we can be sure that the smallest numbers w and x add up to, if I just solve that equation, I get 13. Now this is where I'm going to kick in the cases strategy. There's only so many ways that numbers can add up to 13. So let's try 6 and 7. So that will be the list. We could have 5, 8. That will be the list. We could have 4, 9. That could be the list. Could we have 3, 8? So 3, 10. Could we have 2, 11? Well, in fact, those two last cases are impossible, okay? Because in this case, we can no longer say that the mode is 11. We have to say that the mode is 10 and 11. And in this case, it mucks up the order because that 11 now needs to be moved over there, in which case the median is no longer 10, it's now 11. So therefore, they're the only 3 possibilities, and therefore the smallest number that you can use is a 4. Now, question number 3. Okay, the sum of 2 numbers. Oh, we've been given the name. This is question 3. The sum of 2 numbers is 20. The word is almost always becomes an equals. And the sum of their reciprocals equals 0.5. Now we have to find x squared y plus x y squared. Now, this is an example where I'm going to use the what's special about the situation strategy. What's special about that situation is that there's a common factor. So there's absolutely no harm in factorizing that. And what I'm going to do is just do some DMS to examine on this. I'm very good at solving equations. So I'm going to just times everything by x. Now I'm going to times everything by y. Oh well, I don't write it right next there. That's a 1. I'm going to times everything by y. What? Sorry. First it times everything by x. That turns that into a 1. It turns that into an x over y, and it turns that into an x over 2. I now times everything by y. So y plus x equals xy over 2. And now I'm finally going to times everything by 2. So 2y plus x equals xy. So this is my golden set of facts. This is what got given. And this is the question. This is what they wanted us to find out. Okay, well that there is equal to x plus y we've now discovered is 20. Oh, we already knew that that was 20. And xy can be replaced with 2 times y plus x. Y plus x is 20, so xy equals 40. So we're done. It's 40 times 20, so the answer is 800.